And then important qualities speak to personality. So it's important in this job that you are analytical and critical thinking. So accountants and auditors must be able to critically evaluate data, identify issues in documentation, suggest solutions. Internal auditors might detect fraudulent use of funds. Public accountants may work to minimize tax liability. Communication skills. So you must be able to listen to and discuss facts and concerns from clients, managers, stakeholders. You must also be able to discuss the results of their work, both in meetings and in written reports. Now, this is where English really comes in terms of your ability to communicate what you need to communicate within this particular field. So it does become very important. Detail oriented, so you must pay attention to detail when compiling and examining documents. So if you are just not the type of person who like to pay attention to detail, you are going to have a problem. You could have a love for the numbers but not be a detail oriented person. So that's something that you would have to work on and build an aptitude for. Math skills, you must be able to analyze, compare, interpret facts and figures. You will need advanced math skills such as calculus, statistical analysis for these tasks. Organizational skills, so they're very important for accountants and auditors because you have to work with a range of financial documents. You also have to pay attention to the general accepted accounting accepted principles that are specific to the field. You have laws and regulations that you have to abide by. You have the company policy. If your company is accredited in any way for any sort of educational purpose, you have to pay attention to that. And so this field requires a lot of your head knowledge, a lot of your head space. It's going to take time to do the things you need to do. So if you struggle with procrastination, it's going to show up. If you struggle with organization, it's going to show up. It does make a difference if you tend to be OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, not necessarily as a disorder, but just a person who cares about how things are done.